In this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and use a KFC coupon code. Really easy and simple. First, you need to actually get a KFC coupon code, and you can find this from the KFC app, or website, the promo codes or emails from KFC, flyers, newspapers, third-party deal websites, right? Just make sure you check the expiration date and the terms before you actually go ahead and use the code. And then what you need to do is apply the coupon code online, either through the website or the app. Okay, and if you're ordering through the KFC app or website, just follow these steps. Open up the app or go to KFC's website, add your favorite menu items to the cart, and then just tap on the cart icon. And what you want to do is look for a promo code or coupon section. Just enter your coupon code and click on apply. Okay, and the discount should automatically be deducted from your total. And then you just proceed to checkout and complete your order. You can also go ahead and redeem a KFC coupon code in store. So this is how you do it. Before ordering, you want to show your digital or printed coupon at the counter. And the cashier will basically scan the barcode or manually enter the code. And the discount will be applied and you can pay the adjusted amount. Some in-store coupons are exclusive and cannot be used online, so you want to go ahead and check the details. Okay? And you can also go ahead and use coupons, right, for delivery orders. So if you're ordering from Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, you may not be able to use KFC's official coupons. Instead, you want to go ahead and check if the delivery app has exclusive KFC promo codes. Okay, and some third-party apps actually automatically apply discounts during a checkout. And, when you're checking out, just make sure that the coupon has actually applied. Make sure it's valid. But otherwise, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.